but why parents traditionally have been emphasizing on maths? ऐसा क्या है मैथ्स के अंदर कि पेरेंट्स बचपन से मैथ्स पे, आप सुनते होंगे कि अक्सर पेरेंट्स क्या बोलते हैं, मैथ्स के नंबर दिखाओ, मैथ्स में कितने मार्क्स आए। ऐसा क्या है मैथ्स में, क्यों मैथ्स को लेकर के पेरेंट्स के अंदर इतना ऑब्सेशन है? कोई बायस्ड थिंकिंग है? नो, मैथ्स इज व्हाट? मैथ्स इज लॉजिक। मैथ्स में नथिंग हैज टू बी मग्ड अप। यू कैन नॉट स्कोर वेल इन मैथ्स just by mugging up, right? So maths is all about if this is this, then that will be there or not, if this is this, then that is there or not, right? And that means this. For example, I've already taught you, most of you have taught economics, right? Others, I will give some other example, others have studied polity. So one way is कि repo rate से कम होता है reverse repo rate. I could have simply written this, you mug it up, for those who have taught. But we discussed कि suppose if reverse repo rate was more than repo rate, then what would happen? That means this could happen, that means this could happen. अब ये क्या economics है? No, this is maths, logic. So why maths have been overemphasized? It has been overemphasized because it develops the ability of logic, and once that ability of logic is there, then that will definitely help you to understand even history.